Hey, what's up guys? Stephanie here from Two Girls One Cut, and in this video we're going to take a look at how to add a vinyl decal. If you've purchased one from myself or Christina, we're going to give you some transfer paper, and usually we'll lay that on top here, but it may be in the side depending on the type of transfer paper we've given you because the adhesive might melt. But if it does, just put a little alcohol on a paper towel once you've transferred it and that'll wipe right up. But what you want to do when you first get your decal is rub that into the transfer paper really well, and then you're just going to peel the backing slowly off, making sure that everything lifts up carefully. If you've got words or anything like that, you got to be extra careful. You can lose your eyes, so like this here, I really had to press that eye dot into there, and any swirls on your letters can lift up pretty easily. So the next thing you want to do is wipe your surface with rubbing alcohol if that's appropriate. That's going to help remove any of the oil and dirt so it'll stick better. And then find a place where you want to lay your decal down. And then you're going to kind of bend in the middle so you have a little bit of a taco here. And then press that decal down, starting in the middle first. And then once you've got the middle down, rub that in really good and then push out to the sides. That's going to help make sure that you don't have air bubbles or any wrinkles when you pull it up. Larger logos are a little bit harder, and especially if you're putting them on a large round space, so just keep that in mind. And then once you get that rubbed in very well, you're going to slowly pull back a little bit from the corner. Keep it as low as you can. You'll notice here that the B is starting to pick up, so we need to roll that back down. Make sure we rub that in really, really well. Must not have had enough for his eyes and legs to stick, his little antennae there. And we're still pulling up, so what I'm going to do is switch to another side. And then you can start pulling from another side here. That usually helps if something else on the decal is sticking better. And we're just going to slowly pull, and now we can see that leg stuck down. Let's see if his antenna stays. It's pulling up a bit too. So this is a challenging decal. The surface that I have is going to be epoxied over, so it's not quite as adhesive as I'd like. Now we're not going to lose that antenna. Just keep an eye out for these little legs here. Alright. Success! Now we've got our decal on here. And you'll notice, fortunately, nothing pulled off or ripped off. So, there you have it. We've placed this little B on the cup, and all of your logos will work out pretty much the same way. But if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us.